We are born for the electricity industry. We're committed to being a great enterprise to build a smarter global grid. We are.
We want to be an explorer to push the boundaries of technology to bring more possibilities to the electricity industry.
作为能源计量和能效管理的高科技企业，深圳银河在竞争中在于产品结构上的创新来占得市场份额。
In China, INHE Meter is one of the first batch of enterprises to make smart meters. We crossed the river by filling the stones. Today, INHE Meter ranks among the top 3 in meter export.
With years of continuous R&D and investment, we explored to more than 80 countries and regions. INHE Meter always puts technology first with technological innovation. Our products can be adapted to various extreme working conditions with global presence of products. INHE Meter's energy management services now reach over 100 million people worldwide.
Here, WeightLink is an active explorer of software ecosystem in INHE Group. Based on smart products, WeightLink develops efficient power management system independently, bringing infinite possibilities for the visualization, control and intelligence of power grids.
Wars and natural disasters have reduced many regions to energy poverty. There are nearly 800 million people worldwide without regular access to electricity. In 2019, INHE Group established a wholly owned subsidiary, INHE, devoted to the field of PV energy storage inverters. INHE continuously explores more efficient energies to provide on-grid, residential, and other full-scenario PV storage solutions, focusing on smart manufacturing and quality products. INHE aims at powering the world with sunshine and bringing our clients accessible and reliable solar energy.
INHE Grid remains committed to creating internationally competitive power distribution and metering products.
我们始终坚守基于客户的实际需求，开展设计和制造，为合作伙伴提供智能化电网的咨询、规划、设计、产品供应、EPC 实施及售后运维。
We offer intelligent distribution terminal, medium and low voltage, intelligent switchgear, and advanced distribution network monitoring system. We embrace the global wave of power grid intelligence with continuous exploration and innovation.
In the land of China, in the plains of Eastern Europe, in the villages of America, in the tribes of Africa, in the countries of South Asia, INHE Group's products are all over the world.
We have set a goal to outperform global giants to become an international power and technology enterprise.
We have a dream to bring smart energy to every home.
From 2009
To the present
and beyond,
we keep exploring.
and stay true to our founding mission.
This is who we are.
This is
INHE
INHE Group.
Group.